to be honest, I have no idea if this work. I tried to make a live video. So, and as the title, if you can read the title, works, we will build a Raspberry Pi 4 mobile app. Let me check on the computer. By the way, I'm streaming from the cell phone. Really hope it works. Cannot see that I'm live. So this is really the first time. I have no idea if this. Oh, okay, I can see the thumbnail. Oh, I can see this. And I have no idea if someone come, but I will monitor the chat. So I have a computer on the other side. Oh, maybe I show you a little bit the setup. Okay, first at all, I have here a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Here are the parts, not very clean. And there's the laptop. So everything is prepared. And of course my special holder. So you can see what I'm doing. Hope it's not getting too boring for you. It's funny, I can see myself. Oh, I don't need a mirror. No, this has a little bit time delay. A little bit, a few seconds, that is okay. So where we start, I will show you at first the parts that I'm prepared. I'm like, yeah, I don't let the parts original, so I sometimes change something. The Raspberry Pi 4, this is the 4GB model, very powerful because I also want to play games on it. I don't like how the cable goes through it from the fans here, so I just solder it underneath. So this will be the module. I'm using a very good SD card. Not sure if you can see. It's maybe that's still wrong. So this is a SanDisk Extreme Pro something. Yeah, the fastest one, and I tell you, this is really fast. You can already see it when you image or write the image from the computer to it. It goes very fast. So if you're planning to tinker with a very fast, I like the Pi 4, just spend the money for a very fast SD card or micro SD card. This 128GB card was about 40 euro at Amazon when I still remember, but it's worth every penny because if you use the normal Ultra card, it is half the speed maybe, so very slow. So then what else we need? Yeah, I have 3 parts. Maybe my connection is not fast enough. Maybe we should start it again. Yeah, we will see. It's just fun. I'm too lazy to make video with cutting and everything else, so I just want to try with a live video, and we have time. I have time. This is the frame for the display. This is the back for the display. Integrated speakers. They come from an old laptop, so I have a lot of this stuff. I'm lazy with painting. You see inside, I did inside. Well, some design elements, real press, what like it. And underneath, this is the place where I put in the battery. The battery, yeah, this gives a lot of power. It's configured as 3S and 4P, so it gives about 12.6 volt and has about 8,000 milliamp hours. So the Pi and the display and the other parts can run very long from this. So then the module for power. There's a little display inside. You will see what this is after I put it all together. It has 2 buttons only. On the back side is a DC-DC converter. So I have stable 5 volt, and this time I use a little bit more expensive module because I want to make sure the Pi gets best power as possible. So yeah, this is also a little piece, little module. Then in another video I show you the build of this little badge. It's an RGB, of course, it will light. And in my part box I find this, my first Ryudeng module, the power supply module, and I thought, hey, this is a mobile app. It could be not bad if you have something to power projects. So this also a little bit modified the case. I have no idea what happened there. So see, life is funny. No, maybe I should think about how the guests can see me. I'm still not sure if I still live. Oh, no one watched me. Too bad. No, okay. I only have 1,600 subscribers. So if you see this video, subscribe. And if you like it, tell me, and I can make a new next time also live. I think live is funny. This is a cable. Yes, sure. It's micro HDMI, and I have to tell you, I hate micro HDMI on the Pi4. Why did I do this? I have no idea. But I need a shorter cable and a little bit more flexible cable. So I rip apart the normal cable and make this one. And soldering HDMI is not difficult. And also included the power cable to the display. The same for the USB Type-C. I have an USB Type-C cable and just attach normal power here. So it's easier for me, and it's also smaller than a standard plug, so it's easier to put it together. So there. Then what else we need? Oh, here, yes, the charging port cable and the support for the battery. The battery will be interchangeable. It will be very easy to remove. No screws needed. Not like the modern cell phones where it's a shame. Oh, that's not funny to do something. I have no idea why the quality is so bad. Maybe I have to check this before we go ahead and put all together. So the first part will be a little bit not so good quality. I have no idea. Yeah, 2 connectors. Then a press rod. You will see for what I need this later. And a press board. So attached to some wood. It's a mobile app, so needed this. You will see later. Then some 3D printed parts. I have no idea. I have so bad reception downstairs. Some latches for the case. 3D printed. 2 hinges. Very useful to have a 3D printer. This I downloaded from Thingiverse, but I also make some parts by myself inside the case. Very good designs. I will put a link in the description later. So let me see why the quality is so bad. I have no idea. Is it only on the live so bad? It's even not 360p, I'm telling you. Oh yeah. Okay, this was the first try. Analysen. Well, I can click around a little bit here. Okay. But I have an idea. Oh, that looks cool. Now it tells me very good connection, so I maybe have to change the connection on the phone also. Okay. Ich should stop this. Schließen.